good morning to all of you. My name is Loken Singh, and you are watching us on Sharpness Academy YouTube channel. Friends, we are once again before you with our one more topic. And today's our group discussion topic is about the best profession or which profession has the longest and bright future in India, in which our youth today can make their future bright so that they can serve their nation as well they can serve their and they can survive their life. So we have again four students in this debate, and they all will speak about uh, their thoughts over this topic, what they experience over this point, and what they plan, what can they suggest to the youth today's who want to make their career in different fields. Or this video may be beneficial for those who are still confused. What should they do after plus two, and in which sector should they make their career? So let's start. We want to listen them in a first. They all will give their short introduction, and then after they will give their experience over this topic. So let's start this.
Myself is Gauri Chaudhary. My qualification is I have done inter and I want to become a banker.
You want to become a banker? Okay. Yes, please go ahead.
Hello, this is Neeraj Chaudhary and I have done my post graduation and now I am pursuing English speaking in Sharp English Academy and I have gained more knowledge in Sharp English Academy and thank you sir for fulfill your responsibility and support us.
We value your feedback. Yes, you keep this mic towards yourself. They will speak with them. Yes.
Good morning, all of you, to my teacher and to my all colleagues, and also good morning to my viewers. That we are, this is Bhumesh Beniwal, and we are gathered here to start a debate on best profession. And I am Bhumesh Beniwal, and basically I am from Posikala, and I am preparing for teaching. So my goal is to become a teacher.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. Surendra.
Good morning to my sir and my viewers. So first of all, I am Surendra Chaudhary. Basically, I am from the Kusikala. I am a student of Sharp English Academy, and at that time I have a 5 months in this academy, and I will do my best in this academy, and after that I will join a technical department. So,
Okay. I have questions to all of you first. So first of all, you let me know in your opinion, in which sector today Indian youth can make their bright future, or which sector provides good opportunity to make career easily without much investment of time as well as money. Yes, please express your thoughts over this question. You all have to answer this question. Yes, what do you think, Mr. Bhumesh?
Yes, sir. In my opinion, without using more money, we can learn like we can become a teacher, because teaching, in my opinion, teaching is the best profession, and teaching is like a process in which if we fall out in that process, then we make our career a best and a unique career. And as far as I concerned about it, so teachers are the only one living beings who makes other living beings life better than us, and nobody wants to make their career better than us. But on the other hand, we see that teachers are the only those professionals who makes their career best, and they always engage in that types of work which keeps the futures of children's
Yes.
on in their head, and also makes some efforts for the
For their
welfare
bright
of,
future
for their
or
bright future and for
yes,
the welfare of students.
students.
So teaching
You
is
would
the
like to
best
suggest
profession. Yes, sir.
teaching where students can make their bright future.
Yes, sir.
But if someone has a question against him, yeah.
I agree with your point, but you know, in Indian Army also become in officer without more money,
Yes.
without spend more money, and there are also many profession in which we make without more money.
We can make career without spending more money.
Spending more
Yeah.
money.
Instead of doing BTech, MBBS, we have some other professions in army. We can make our career.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have question to you. You told that in teaching we can make our career without spending much money, but you don't think you need to gain more knowledge, and today's generation engaged or means not able to get the more knowledge. They always try to get the shortcut of the things. They always try to get the knowledge in short, and they have no deep knowledge about the things. Like earlier our traditional teachers, they had knowledge about any concept to explain, so they had deep knowledge to explain the topic. But now students they have short knowledge. Another point is that we all hear the name of AI, artificial intelligence. So it has sneezed the job of teachers nowadays. We see that in many private schools or big colleges,
Yes, sir.
AI has become the trainer or teacher there. AI taking the class of students. Artificially intelligence, they have their own robots, their own avatar of the teacher,
Yes.
and they are teaching students. We also have seen many times that the robot machine, they have become teacher, and they are doing the homework of the students. They are teaching students. They are checking students' homework,
Yes.
and they are doing all activities of the teacher which are done or performed by a teacher. So what would you like to speak over this point?
Yes, sir. I see eye to eye with that thing that AI also generates some types of facility in which teachers is not required.
Yeah.
But in my opinion, if AI is giving that types of education, then it is not possible. AI gives only those who are have enough potential and enough money to purchase these pack.
Yes.
But I think, in my opinion, those who are not suffering from financially good condition. So these are if they are not purchased AI, then it is not possible for them that they are educated. So that's why I think teachers are more necessary or compulsory for those students who are not able to purchase these pack from AI. And I think AI is not over worldwide.
Yeah.
I think AI have some limits, and AI is only possible in big cities and
Or we
big
can
part of
say in
India.
a metropolitan city
Metropolitan
or
city.
developed nation.
And but on the other hand, we see our India is mostly population of our India live in village. So
Yes.
70% population live in village. That's why means 70% people also wants to get educated. So that's why teachers are that living being who makes village pupils and village children educated. So I also agree that AI give proper education, and it also makes future of the students. But not only AI is on working on their limits, but teachers are the godfathers of education, and they give best. I think AI is like a computer, and we know computer is made by humans.
Yes,
So
yes.
I think teachers are greater than AI. So we have to.
Teachers have made AI. It means
Yeah.
AI has not its own brain. They also depend on teachers and they also get the knowledge. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
I see eye to eye with you. You are right here because when we come feelings of with our teacher, so there is no feelings of AI. Because if our teacher teaches us, then we live frankly with our
Yes,
teacher,
yes, yes.
but we did not
Can't be comfortable with AI.
comfortable with AI.
Yeah. So yes, Sarendra, what do you think, in which sector our youth can make our career now? Which field has better, bright scope or more opportunity? Those who are seeking job or who want to make their career after their +2 graduation.
In my opinion, at that time, the youth have increased in a technical line. As we know, many people are pass the interview, and he is also go the companies and many multinational companies, and I know also AI is come here at that time. He is a break. He is the break of the break of.
Yes, yes.
It
It is snatching jobs.
AI is the snatching of jobs in the past. In the some after some days, we all listen our news. Then the AI has come in USA, and the AI has catch the 4,000 jobs.
Yes.
Uh,
Last 4,000 jobs of
Best
employees there
4,000
for
jobs.
companies.
So in my opinion, and I am concerned, business is a good way. If because
Entrepreneur, you mean to be an entrepreneur, so students can become like we hear the name of MBA Chai Wala,
yeah,
Yes.
and we hear such kind of names. So those can make their bright future once you done your study. So you implement that education in your own business or be a startup, and don't try to become a job seeker. Try to be a job creator.
Creator.
Create the job for others, not seek the job.
Yes, sir.
But if all will become the job creators, then who will get the job or who will work?
first of all, in my opinion, if somebody have a great knowledge, then he start a business, and he provide such kind of jobs like management. So and if, as we know, business is the backbone of our India, and because of business is the higher of economy, grow of economy.
Okay, by business we can grow the economy of our nation. You mean is that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, Gauri, I think you also want to make your career in banking, and banking is also related to the economy of nation. So how do you think banking is the best profession, or in bank we can make our bright future, or bank can give us more opportunity to work and to make our country economy strong, or can serve our nation? Yes, what knowledge you have about it?
Bank is good for us, but banking make our career success.
Yes.
But mostly people told us that it is very difficult.
Job, yes.
Difficult job, but without a hard work, uh, uh, we can do nothing.
Yes, or success never comes without hard work.
Success never comes without hard work.
Yes.
Because
Okay, let us know something more about which bank are growing in India nowadays. Can you nominate the name of some bank which are fastly growing and giving the opportunity to work company or work employees in our nation?
there are mostly banks in India who are
Which are growing.
which are growing,
Yes.
and government gives us make the many
Opportunity to make career.
to make career.
Yeah. Yeah. Please let us know the name of some banks in which we can get a job easily, or private bank job, government bank job. So which banks are growing fast in India? Can you name of some banks like HDFC, ICICI, Axis, Bank of India, Kotak Mahindra, so Yes Bank, PNB. So some other bank you may suggest, or which is better bank? If you talk about the bank, so which is better in your opinion?
In my opinion, private bank is good for us, because if I will do work harder, so we can achieve
Yes.
the goal of bank.
Yes.
And more banks, example HDFC, SBI, more banks in which we can do,
You can make career.
we can make career.
Okay, there is one plus point of a private bank that they give you equal chance to grow.
Yes, sir.
Even they provide you chance every year to get promotion, increment, and even either you can switch also from one bank to another. So once you go to another bank with a rich experience and knowledge, so other bank will hire you on the smart, attractive package,
Yes, sir.
or will give you offer you more salary. But in government bank, what happen? People always become emotional to their job, and this private government bank hardly give them chance to promote or to get the more increment in their salary. Okay, someone else, yes, I give you this chance again to speak. You are in favor of making the career of youth in what field you are supporting, or what field would you like to suggest today generation?
I would like to suggest to the new generation. In nowadays, IT sector
Yes.
growing
Day by
day
day.
by day,
Yeah.
because the IT sector give us more salary and give a chance to do the work from home,
Yeah.
and it is helpful for girls and and those girls who are married, because except the job, there are many
Activity or work on their
work on
their
their,
shoulders,
yes,
which
on
they
their
bear every
shoulders,
day.
like as
Family, cooking,
family cookings and
yeah,
their
mopping.
child,
Yes.
So in my opinion, IT sector is good for girls.
Okay. Do you think IT may give us more opportunity or IT is good for, but don't you think some IT has some negative point also? IT is snatching the job and IT is also increasing. IT has become the cause of cyber crime. So
Yes,
someone
sir.
has objection against that lady. She has spoken about my IT. So you may raise your questions. You may oppose it, please.
Yes, sir, I am also in favor of that IT snatching jobs of pupils. But I think on as we see on practical base, so
Yeah.
we see that every coin has two faces, and one face is like advantage and one face is disadvantage.
Disadvantage.
So IT have both advantage and disadvantage. And for girls, I think IT have a great potential. Like girls show their skills there and become a good and high rank professional there. And I think IT gives so many chances for all of, not for girls or not for boys. But I think IT also is one negative point that it also makes it also spreads unemployment in today's youth, because who's not because those who are not able to do that type of job, and they are like able to do a worker rank job. So IT makes these types of robots, and in today's generation we see like chat GPT and so many
Yes,
things.
yes.
IT or
Chat
AI
GPT in highly demand
both
nowadays.
makes some types of facility there. So we can say that these things snatch the jobs of today's youth and
Yeah.
today's people. So by the way, IT provides jobs, but not like it provides jobs, but also on the other hand we see it also snatching the jobs from youth. And in my opinion, IT have a great or like a backbone of our country, but in today's generation people, we see that pupils some pupils are not well educated. So these types of pupils doing jobs in their local factories or in their
Yes.
companies, but but due to arrival of IT or AI in our country, these pupils
Since the
become
AI
these,
has been introduced to the nation.
yes, these pupils becomes or remains unemployed. So uh, so system has to be focused on these types of pupils. If they are not able to do job, so how they survive and how they earn their bread and butter. So I think every coin has two faces. That's why IT also have an advantage and disadvantage. But we have to be learn something new. Like we have to update ourselves for like becoming a IITian or becoming anything. Like
Yes.
you have to be update yourself according to nature, because the changing process is the first principle of our earth. So we have to change ourselves first, and we have to make a disguise of like what we are running in that type of generation. We have to become these types of people, not to like living in old generation people, and also change our mind. So
Yeah, we are living 21st century, so we have to adopt the culture,
Adopt the
environment,
culture of
everything of 21st
21st
century. Don't try to copy 20th century or 18th, 19th century.
yes, sir.
Okay, I want to know to both of you, please answer me yes or no. IT sector is a job creator or IT sector is a job destroyer? What do you think? It is destroying the job, IT, or it is creating the jobs?
Sir, in my thinking that the both of, because of if IT sector make like AI tools GTP, then the E snatching of jobs. But if we see other place, then the youth, and at that time the youth is increase and the do job in IT sectors at that time. So in my opinion, the
IT is creating job.
IT is
What do you think?
in my opinion, IT gives us a creating a job.
IT is creating job. Okay. Now we want to know from you all what you think about if the students or today's generation, young people move towards the sports field. We hear the name like so many great sportsmen who have won the gold for our nation, and they have brought the fair name of the nation in the eyes of the world. In earlier, we had no so many gold medals in Olympic games or Asian games, but now our country wins every year many gold medals, bronze medals, and silver medals. So we are not lagging behind than other country. So don't you think today's generation can make their career in sports also if they wish? What do you think, please? You all have to answer this point.
Yes, sir.
What are your opinion about this point?
It's a good way to become a known person and a famous person.
Yeah, everybody wants fame and
in
name.
the eyes of society, because athletes is the man who not only makes the name of his father or his village peoples, he also makes the good name of his country. Because if anybody rewards with a gold medal in any types of athletics or any types
Any
of
kind of
gymnastics,
sport.
so he's very well known person, and he become a well known person in their society. And everyone have their wishes like they become a famous sports person or a athlete, because it's a good profession also. Because if you want to achieve a good rank or a good medal in Olympics or in any game, in any national game or in any Commonwealth game, so you have a good future or you have a good way to live your life. Because so many advertising companies hire you and, sir, please give us one advertisement. After that you make so many things like so many ways and so many gates are opened for you. And as I concerned about it, it's like I am also in my childhood I also wants to become a sports star, but due to some circumstances I never achieved my this goal.
This
But
is a drawback occurs for Indian youth. They hardly get a chance and support from the government and proper counseling, coach. Due to that, they could not get their success, cannot make their career in a sports field.
Yes.
I agree with this point.
And as we all know that every person have their dreams and have their wishes, like they wants to become this and they wants to become on that designation. But someone acquire their dreams and someone not achieve their dreams. Due to some circumstances I am not able to achieve my dream, but I never feel like I give up. And today I am also working on these things, and one day definitely I achieve this. But we are here to give a best profession for youth. So I also suggest to my youth who are junior to me that if they are not good in studies, so don't like feel like that they are no more, or they are like suppressed by pupils. They also have some like unique skills, because God gives everybody a unique skill, and everybody is special for any types of work.
Yes.
So don't
They are skilled somehow in any field.
Yes, sir. And
They are God gifted.
they are like a boon given by gods. And
Yeah, we can say they are inbuilt skills in them. They are born with some skills.
born with some skills. And so many children who are not well educated and have not potential to do any types of works in IT or in any government sector. So these types of boys, I requested to them that they are do some hard work in sports field or in athletics.
Yeah,
So
they can play for nation
they can play
and
for nation,
play for
and
their
it's,
family.
it's a good way to
To
become
make career.
to become a famous and to become a well known, or to become a financially good. So I think it's a